Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to create quizzes. Further, just start with the new Google form and just title this as my quiz. And let the description be answer all the questions. Each carries 2 marks. Let's start with the questions. Let the first question be, let's go with simple, 2 plus 2. Let the options be 5, 4. Make it required. Let's add another question. Oh, I forgot to add the first question. Let's add the first question name. Let it be short answer. Make it required. Let the other question be 2 into 3 equals 2. Let the options be 6, 5, 4, 3. Make it required, and let's add another question. Let the question be choose even. Further, use checkboxes and add options 4, 5. Make it required. Add another question. Let's add the last question. Let the question be 2 minus 1 equals 2. Let it be short answer. Make it required. That's it. Let's see the preview once. Yeah, this is how the preview looks. Just close this and go to the settings to make this quiz. Go to the quizzes tab and switch this on to make this quiz. And release marks options we are having immediately after each submission or later after manual review. So further, just use later after manual review. And respondents can see missed correct answers, point values, and these settings are okay. Let's keep those like that only and save. And coming to the presentation settings, show progress bar, shuffle question order, show link to submit another response. As this is the quiz, so don't show the another response. We have to limit that to only one response since it's an exam. So shuffle question order is the option. Check this on. And confirmation message is by default your responses has been recorded. And let's change it to thank you and save. And coming to the general settings, correct email addresses, response receipts, require sign in, limit to 1 response. Here limit to 1 response, check this to limit to 1 response, because though we opted here for show link show link to submit another response, these both are different, because here this is what means it was showing a link to submit another response when we are not collecting email addresses. So the particular we cannot say that which person was submitting that response, but here when we are collecting email addresses particularly for the quiz, so though he is giving email address, he should not able to submit another response. So limit it to 1 response. Respondents can edit after submit. See, so as it was a quiz, there is no option of editing after submission. So save this like this, and let's give the points for these questions. It was the name, it was not a question, so don't make any option here for this question. Let's make the points 2 and answer, select the answer 4 and done. Let's go to second question and add answer key. Here make 2 points and add the answer 6. Done. Next, third question, add points 2 and choose the options 4, 2 and done. Let's for the last question, make the answer key, add correct answer 1 and add another correct answer 0, 1. Mark all other answers as incorrect. That's it, and make the points 2. Done. Let's make a information here that answer in number only. If anyone answers 0, 1 e with the spelling, so that may be wrong, right? So that's, we have instruction that answer in number only for this, so 1 or 0, 1 both will be marked as correct. So that's it. Now copy the link, just submit one response for that. As we didn't make the question of email also, since it was a quiz, we opted for correct email addresses. It was asking for correct email addresses. Two plus 2, 4, choose even 5, 9, 2, 6. Let's give answer 1, submit this response. You can see there was no option of link to submit another response since we restricted to one response. So just close this, and next can have here, I can see the responses here, individual response. This was wrong and this was right. So let's try to submit another response now. Yeah, as I made only one response, so let's change the settings, just make it off and save this. Just try to make a response again. Yeah, let's answer this one. So let's see now this response. Let's go to second response. Here you can see I answered 0, 1e. I opted for the correct answers as 1 or 0, 1. So 0, 1e, though it is a correct answer, I made an instruction of answer in number only, so that will check with the 2 options I gave, so and system will mark it as wrong. Thus you can create quizzes and mark those and submit and give review of those, and can check the summary and average mark and median range. Everything will be available in summary. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.